Perfect. I think we are live. We are live. Can you guys hear me clearly? Please drop the fire emoji on the comment section and let me know if you can hear me clearly. Drop the fire emoji on the comment section and let me know if you can hear me clearly. Perfect. Okay, loud and clear. It says loud and clear. All right. Love this. I love this. I love this. Loud and clear. That's good. Loud and clear. Okay. So today we have one of those awesome live sessions where we're going to be featuring one of the best pro firms in the game right now, Hola Prime. So those of you in USA, Canada, there are many pro firms that have restricted you guys. But the good news is Hola Prime, I think, should be #1 in the USA now. Yeah. Hola Prime should be the #1 prop firm for USA traders right now. So that's big news for you guys. All my USA traders. Although it's a global prop firm, but the good thing about one added advantage about them is they do accept USA traders with no issues. Okay, so we're going to be featuring Hola Prime today. And before we even go into the video, guys, please leave a like on the video. Let's get at least 250 traders here and watching. We didn't plan for the live. Unfortunately, I didn't send the link yesterday, so that's why we are not too many here. But the video is still going to be up after this for you guys to watch. So there's nothing to regret about. The video is still going to be up for you guys to watch after this. Please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Let's get at least 200 traders here and watching. Please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. We need at least 250 traders here. We need at least 250. The more likes you guys leave on the video, the better. The more likes, the better. The more likes, the better. So that YouTube can push it to awesome traders like you. We need many traders here. We need traders. We're going to be sharing a lot of info here today that I don't want them to miss out. A lot of info is going to be shared here today. Please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Let me just notify these people on Slack that we are live. Where's that link again? We are live. Where's my, okay. We are live now. Please join. Okay. I just need to update you on Discord, but it's fine. I think I need to just update on Instagram. I didn't plan the live, so that's why. That's why I need to update my entire community. I'm trying to take a video and I kept taking a picture. Okay, guys, we are live. You can see those are live streams coming in. We are live on YouTube. We live everywhere. We live. Join us live on YouTube. Let's go. Okay. So like I mentioned earlier, this session, we're going to be analyzing a couple of pairs, so don't worry. We're going to be analyzing a couple of pairs today, just to show you guys. I remember last week I came here and on the live session, we did analysis and I gave you guys 5 signals. If you guys can remember, last week on our live session, I gave you guys 5 signals. And out of those 5 signals, we hit TP on 3. Right, we hit TPs on 3 of those signals. And all those signals were going for a risk to reward of 1:3. Meaning we made, if we hit TPs on 3, we made 6% and lose 2%. We made 4% of our account just on the free signals I shared with you guys last week. So when we come here and we say we're going to be trading together, I'm going to be giving you guys free signals. Don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly, please. I remember the signals I gave last week. Out of 5 of those signals, 3 of them hit TP. 3 of them. And also thing I'll have to mention again is the lives is featuring Hola Prime. So what's Hola Prime? Hola Prime is a proprietary company that's going to be able to give you guys funds to trade. They accept USA traders. That's very, very good. They own their own tech. They have MetaTrader 5. They accept USA traders, and you can scale up to $4 million in capital. And the good news is today they are giving a 50% discount for those of you guys who are going to be watching this live session, or those of you guys who are going to be purchasing your account. So just use the coupon code. You can see the message that is passing on your screen, the banner message. That's the coupon code. Use that coupon code. The link is on the video description, and you get 50% off your challenge with Hola Prime. I can't see an opportunity like this at Mix. So make sure you use that coupon code. It's TradeFirst 50 is right on your screen. It's going to be passing on the screen to the end of the video. So use that coupon code to get funded with Hola Prime for a 50% discount. All right. Meanwhile, I'm just going to grab the video. We're going to be doing, before we even go into the video, we're going to be doing a spin. The first video I did about Hola Prime, if you guys can remember, I did a review about Hola Prime, and they've come up to me. They say like, okay, Golov, we were so impressed with the interaction and the love the community showed on that particular video. So we're going to be giving 2 traders $50,000 prop firm accounts each. So that's good news. Hola Prime said they're going to be giving 2 traders $50,000 each to trade in Forex. So how do we do it? We need to spin and pick the winners live so that it should be transparent. All right. Sometimes I can just say, oh, they're going to give 2 traders account, and maybe you think, oh, I'm just going to select maybe my 2 friends or my wife and maybe my brother-in-law or something. No, I make it transparent and it goes to the people the accounts are supposed to go, right? So we're going to be spinning it live. We're going to be spinning the comment section of that particular video we did, of the first video we did about Hola Prime. We'll spin the comment section live, and we're going to be picking 2 winners to both have $50,000 to trade live. Last week we did with another prop firm, and I think all the winners are going to be receiving their prop firm accounts today. And today we're doing it with Hola Prime, and on Monday they're going to be receiving their prop firm accounts. So let's do that before we get into the video, before we get into analyzing the currency pairs we have for today, a few signals we have for today. So let me just quickly grab the link of the video, and then I'm going to come back right here. Oh, Hola Prime, was it this one? Yeah, I think it was this one. Hola Prime review. Yeah, it was this one. Okay, I just need the link of the video, and then we're going to be able to use it to spin. I'm just grabbing the link of the video. YouTube comment picker. Where is it? Where is the software? We're going to be using the software to do it so that it should be as transparent as possible. We're going to be using the YouTube comment picker. So what we do is we just put the YouTube link, and the comment picker is going to spin and follow and according to traders who follow all our rules by watching the video to the end, by liking, by subscribing, by sharing, by commenting. So the software is going to do all of that and then pick 2 winners. That's it. That's it. Let me share my screen so that you guys can be able to see it as well. Let me just quickly share screen. I need to just share my entire screen so that you guys can see. StreamYard is sharing your screen, but I can't see it yet. All right. I hope you guys can see my screen. I hope you guys can see my screen. Can you guys see my screen? Let me know if you can see my screen. Yeah, I can see it now, and I can see it on these other computers. My screen is clear. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. My screen is clear. So let's go back here. And this is the software we're going to be using. And the software is simple. This is the YouTube link. I just grabbed the YouTube link and it's already there. And we're just going to add no more extra filters. Everything is already there. So we don't need to be adding extra filters on it. And then let's just go down. Number of winners. We're going to actually select 3 winners so that even if one of the winners doesn't show up, we're going to be able to still have 2 winners. All right. We're going to select 3 winners, but the first 2 are going to be the main winners. The last one is just going to be miscellaneous. All right. It's just going to be on the waiting list. It's going to be on the waiting list. Meaning if the first 2, if any of them don't show up, then the number 3 person or the number 3rd person is going to be taking the 50K account. So that's why if you can see here, number of winners, I put 3. Then let's see. Random names. No, I want the wheel. Spinning wheel. Yes. I want the spinning wheel. All colors. Yes. I want all colors. Okay. So let's get the comments. Let's get the comments from that particular video. You can see the software is retrieving all the comment, and the software is going to be able to remove all bot. Any comment that was like a bot, any comment that was like a robot, the software is going to be able to remove all of that. So you don't need to worry. So we have a total of 52 unique and original comments that are not bots. All right. 52 unique and original comments that are not bot. And you can see here, these are all the comments right here. Let me just take a screenshot of this, of all the comments, so that I can drop it on our Discord. Going down right now. Let me just take a screenshot of it. Hurry. Copy. I'm going to just drop it quickly on Telegram. Going down right now. Going down right now. Join live to win. Okay. I just have a message on Telegram. Just a minute. So that's the spin we're going to be doing. That's the spin we're going to be doing to pick all the winners. That's a spin we're going to be doing. Okay, and then just another thing that is coming in. I think at the same time, Hola Prime is also having a live session on their YouTube. I think they also have a live session on their YouTube. Let me just check to confirm. Okay, no, they don't. They have the live session when? Let me see the date. August 22 at 2:30. Oh, their live session is coming up in 10 minutes. All right, the live session with Hola Prime is coming up in 10 minutes. So make sure immediately after this live session, guys, just go on YouTube and search Hola Prime and also join their live session. You might also win something very, very big. This is a live session right here. Where is this section? This is a live session. You can see where's my camera. It's right there. It's coming up in exactly 8 minutes in the Hola Prime channel. So immediately we are done here. Make sure you also check out the Hola Prime live session, just so you might also win something, and also just to hear directly from them as well. I just notified. the live audience. All right. Good. So that is it. We're going to be spinning now to pick our winners. We're going to be spinning to pick our winners. Where's the link again? So that is it. If you guys are ready, let me know so that we can start the spin. If you guys are ready, let me know so that we can start the spin. So let's go with the fire emoji. So let's go. Comment, let's go on the comment section with the fire emoji. Comment, let's go on the comment section with the fire emoji so that we can start our spin. Just comment, let's go on the comment section with the fire emoji so that we can now know you guys are ready and we can start our spin. Okay, I can see people commenting, let's go. Whoa, let's go. Perfect. Let's go. That's awesome. Ready, let's go. All right, you guys are ready. Let's go. I like this. The one thing about my live sessions is they're always very interacting. Very interacting. I don't usually have a dead live session. No. If my live session is not interactive like this, then I wouldn't be here. Let's go. I like this. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's do the spin. Let's do the spin. I'm just waiting for the page to load up now so that we can start the spin. Okay. Where is it again? We're just going to click on it and then it's going to spin and give us the winner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, go. That's a spin ongoing. That's a spin. Which trader is going to be selected? Let's see. Which one is that? What's the name? Okay, that's the name right down there. Aikuye Machi 2332. Yo, what kind of name? Very long name. That's it. Take note, if you are the winner, then that's our first winner. You just won yourself $50,000 to trade, bro. Whether it's a bro or it's a sister, you just won yourself $50,000. That's the YouTube handle. You can even see the person's comment. Was right there. Greetings, I'm okay from Nigeria. Okay, it's actually from Nigeria. I've been following your Forex lessons with keen interest for more now, and I've applied the Z with you. And then you can even read through. You can go directly on YouTube to see the full comment. It's going to be right there on YouTube. So let's not waste time. Let's not go on YouTube. Let's just close this one and go back to the comment picker. So that's our first winner. Let's go up again and pick another winner. Pick a new winner. Let's pick a new winner. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom. Let's go. Boom. That's it. That's the next winner. Joseph Emmanuel /V6X. Remember the YouTube handle. You need to send us a picture of your YouTube profile so that we can confirm that the YouTube handle is the same as the one on the video. Because what used to happen is people will see that, oh, another person has been selected as a winner, and they'll just immediately run and go and create a fake YouTube channel with the same name or with a similar name, because you can't have the same name. So what they'll do is they'll create a fake YouTube channel with a similar name. But no two people can have the same YouTube handle. That's a good thing. So Joseph Emmanuel /V6X, you need to send us a screenshot together with all winners of your YouTube profile so that we can confirm that is the same trader. Let's go. Like I said, those are the two top winners. Those are the two winners that are going to be having $50,000. This can be the start of their $1 million journey with trading. I'm telling you guys, I've seen situations for my years in trading. I've seen traders who have won even 25K profit accounts, and today they are trading with millions. Today they've gotten more than $50,000 in payout. You guys need to always take these things very serious. It's the same account any other person is having. Let's pick the last person who is going to be on the waiting list. If these two traders, none of them show up, then this last person who is going to be on the waiting list is going to be taking the account. So let's just click again. 1, 2, 3, go. That's it. Boom. That's it. So Abuze Gulu 1273. That's it. You can see his comment is right there. YouTube even extract his comment and show right there. So that's his comment, and we are done right there. If I go on view previous winners, you can see these are all the winners right there. We have Joseph, we have Ikum, and you have this other guy. So these are the two main winners, and then we have this winner on the waiting list. All right. I'm just going to copy the name again. Let's just click here. Let's go to pick another winner so that we can have his name on the list. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is the list of the previous winners? I just need the list. This one is not going to be confirmed. I just need the list of those of the previous winners we had. Okay, these were our previous winners. The first one was this icon. Second one is Joseph, and the waiting list is this Abuza. So I'm just going to copy and also paste on the software. I'm going to copy and also put on the streaming software so that you guys can see. I just need to put it on the streaming software so that you guys can see the winners. Banners, I just need to create a new banner. 50K giveaway winners, 50K. 50K. Always, anytime you hear of my live session, always be present. There's always something to give, always something. There's always something. These are traders that have just won themselves $100,000 to trade. Then waiting list is that. So the number one winner is, okay, first two winners in any order is this Joseph. Number two is this Ikonen. Then number three, the waiting list now is that. So that is that. Let's add the banner and also put it on the screen. Let's show the banner. Okay. So you can see number one is Joseph, number two is Ikuen, and waiting list is Abuze. So those are our winners. Those are our winners of the 50K giveaway winners. 50K giveaway winners with Hola Prime. 50K giveaway winners with Hola Prime. Right. So I like that. I like that. I like that. That was it about the giveaway. Let's move to the next thing on our agenda, which is going to be to analyze a couple of pairs to see which signals we might have today. Okay, so now it's left to you guys. Which pairs do you want us to look into? Let me know. Let me know. What about yesterday's video giveaway of this? We haven't done when it's time for those. When it's time for the winners, we're gonna obviously let you guys know. Let's do what is available for today. Okay. Now, if you guys want us to look into a couple of pairs, give your recommended pair. Maybe you've tried to do your own analysis on a pair and you're doubting whether it's going to be, whether it's a buy or a sell or it's a consolidated market or something. Recommend that pair, and I'm going to pick a total of 10 pairs. I'm going to pick a total of 10 pairs for us to do analysis and then close for the day. So give me your recommended pairs. Type your recommended pairs on the comment section so that we can go. I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds. 30 seconds to type your recommended pairs. Any pair you want us to analyze, I'm going to analyze and give you guys a live signal if there's a signal on that pair. I'm going to do live analysis, and I'm going to take the same. If they say, now, this is how we're going to do it. This is how we're going to do it. Let me get my account ready. I'm going to actually use my 50K, my 100K account, and we're going to do it this way. We're going to do it this way. If there's actually a signal, on any of those signals I'm going to be giving, then I'm going to be taking the signal myself on my 100K prop account. So I'm just getting it ready. I'm just getting the account ready. I'm getting the account ready. All right. Let's see. $250. No, let me use my 100K account. Let me use my 100K account. Which one was okay? Was this one? 22. Let's see. I'm just a minute, guys. Just a minute. I'm just looking for the. Okay, we're going to be using this one. We're going to be using this account. I have many trading accounts. Sometimes I've been get confused which one I can use, guys. So bear with me. Sometimes I get confused which one to use. Let me use the one which is still on phase one. Any signal I give you guys on this trade, on this, I'm going to be analyzing 10 pairs. And during my analysis, if there's a signal which I want to take, then I'm going to take it myself. Or if there's a signal which I give you guys, I'm also going to take it on my side. So let me see the recommended pairs you guys have written on the screen. Many people have said Great Britain Pound USD. So let's start with Great Britain Pound USD. Joshua A says Great Britain Pound USD. So let's see what's happening on Great Britain Pound USD. This is it right here. Still standing there. I even gave a signal on Great Britain Pound USD earlier in the day. Who can remember? All right. This was a signal I gave earlier in the day on Great Britain Pound USD, and you can still jump in as we speak. You can still jump into Great Britain Pound USD as we speak. We're still down a little bit out of the money. We're risking 20 pips. So that's a signal on Great Britain Pound USD. Sell Great Britain Pound USD. Sell Great Britain Pound USD. For many reasons, this was the reason for us taking it as a sell decision. Number one, we had a cross right up here. We had a cross right up here. For how long? We had this cross for more than a month. The market has been selling. So the only thing we've been doing is just waiting for the market to pull back to our fibs, and then we sell. This was last week. We sold here, come out, risk to reward 1:2. The same thing happened here. Market came here, risk to boom. We saw here again, risk to reward 1:2. The same thing here, risk to reward 1:2. So the same thing happened today when we drew our fibs from here to here. This was almost around the 50% level, and then closing bearish. So that was why I gave this signal as a sell. And we are seeing the trade. I'm still very, very confident. This market is going to be pushing down in profit, or at most by next week, we're going to be moving into profit. So though I told you guys on Telegram that we should close this trade before weekend, I'm still going to update you guys before the end of the day, because by the end of the day, I'm still circulating, allowing my entry. Then I'm going to let the trade go over the weekend. So I'm going to keep you guys posted on what we're going to be doing. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Damn it, guys. Damn it. Don't worry. Thank God I haven't gone too far. Thank God I haven't gone too far. Thank God I haven't gone too far. Good. I hope you guys can see my screen now. Let me know if you guys can see my screen. All right, you guys can see my screen. That's good. So this was the signal I was talking about. It's a sell on Great Britain Pound USD, because you can see the market has been on a sell trend right here. This has been a sell trend for more than a month, and we'll be just waiting for the market to pull our fibs, and then we sell. Pull out to our fibs, we sell. Pull to our fibs, and then we sell. So the same thing happened today morning, and I gave this signal right here. So we are still very good. You can still take this trade. Stop loss 20 pips, take profit 40 pips. We're going for a risk to reward of 1:2. Sell Great Britain Pound USD. Stop loss 20 pips, take profit 40 pips. Remember, this is not financial advice. All right, everything I give you is for educational purposes. Do your own due diligence and know that trading incurs high degree of risks, and you can lose some or all of your savings. Have to always be very, very clear on that. But according to my own analysis, that's what I'm seeing on Great Britain Pound USD. Let's see which other pair do you guys want us to look into. Let's see which other pair, which other pair do you guys? Okay, someone says Euro USD. Let's look into Euro USD. Euro USD is right here. Just to begin, the same setup on Euro USD, similar setup on Euro USD. Similar setup on Euro USD. So this is what we're going to be checking out on Euro USD, right? We had a cross here on Euro USD, and you can confirm that we've been on a downtrend. We've been on a downtrend on Euro USD, so our FIB is definitely going to run the most significant swing low. I'm still going to take this one and this one. So our FIB is going to run from here to here. All right. So if I can do that, you can see the market has already pushed back to our 38% level, and is closing bearish. So if the next candle close bearish on Great Britain Pound on Euro USD, then we're going to be selling. So our sell is going to come in somewhere around here. We need to wait. More money is made in Forex trading waiting than actually trading. So you need to play the waiting game, guys. You need to play the waiting game. I think this one, 15 pips is fine. It's totally fine. If the next candle close as a bearish candle, you're going to sell Euro USD. Stop loss is going to be 15 pips, and take profit is going to be 30 pips. Okay, let's go. That's it. Let me take the trades on my phone. No, not yet. Remember, I said we still have to wait. We still have to wait. The first one I've already taken it. Great Britain Pound USD, I have already taken. All right, which one again? Which one do you guys want us to look into it? Great Britain Pound NZD. Someone says Great Britain Pound NZD. That's one of my worst pairs to trade because of the spreads. No matter the broker you are using, Great Britain Pound NZD just have naturally have very high spreads. Great Britain Pound NZD. Do I even have it on my list? Do I even have it? Yeah, I have it right here. I have it right here. Okay. First thing first is for us to determine the market direction. We had a cross already here. We had a cross here and it was confirmed by the close of this candle. So I'm seeing a buy, a very big buy, because by the close of this candle, we confirm a buy. So long as I see that the price is still on this particular zone, the price is still on this zone right here, right? I call this my trigger zone. You can call it any name you want, but that's just my own name. You can see this is the candle that confirmed the cross of this moving average. The candle, the bullish confirmation candle, all right? Bullish confirmation candle. So long as the price is still on that bullish confirmation candle, that's still a very good setup to take. So we're going to be taking that particular setup right there. We're going to be taking that particular trade right there. So let me just delete this. And we're going to be taking a buy on Great Britain Pound NZD. That's a clear buy on Great Britain Pound NZD. Long position right here. Stop loss, we're going to be risking, let's risk about 30 pips. We're not risking that much, guys. Let's risk 30 pips on this one and go for a risk to reward of 1:2. 30 pips and go for 60 pips, right? To calculate your lot size, just go to Gulf University Forex calculator. It's right here. I think as of now, the calculator is not actually working because there's maintenance going on the back end. So I think the calculator is not working as of now. But within the next couple of minutes or couple of hours, just come back to Gulf University and then you click on trading calculators and you'll be able to use this to calculate the lot size you can use on that particular trade. So I already know in most cases when I'm risking 30 pips, I know the lot size I'm going to use on my side. So I'm just going to put my lot size and then take my trade. Push, not that one. I made a mistake and took a long trade. I'm going to close it very quickly. It's Great Britain Pound NZD. Great Britain Pound NZD is right there. It's right there. Great Britain Pound NZD. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it's right here. Then we're just going to trade, and then it's a buy or a sell. It's a buy. I gave it a signal. It's a buy. So that is it. That is it. That is it right there. I just opened the first position on this account. The other positions were on the other account. So this is the first one I'm opening on this account, and it's a buy on Great Britain Pound NZD. Let's see, which other pair do you guys want us to look into? Which other pair? Which other pair? Which other pair? Which other pair do you guys want us to look into? We've already looked into Great Britain Pound, USD. We've looked into, okay, gold. Many people are asking of gold, XAU USD. So what's popping on XAU USD? Let's check and see. Guys, please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Let me see if you guys are actually doing that so that we can continue. Please leave a like on the video and share with someone. And as we are continuing with our analysis, make sure you use the code on your screen, TradeFirst50, to get 50% off with Hola Prime, since this live session is featuring Hola Prime, which is one of the top prop firms, the fastest growing, and it also Hola Prime also accepts USA traders. So if you're in USA, this is a good prop firm for you to use. And I'm personally trading with Hola Prime. Hola Prime is part of our Trading to Payout series, TTP payout, TTP series. And even once I get to the payout stage and get a payouts from Hola Prime, you guys will still be the first to know. But they have great trading conditions, which I'm currently trading with them. All right, so let's go to gold, XAU USD. First thing we do is to confirm our market direction. This was a cross down here for a downtrend. Our next entry was supposed to be here, so we've already missed that entry. What we're waiting now to happen is to see if the market is going to continue like this, and then once it starts pulling against us, our FIB is instead going to run from here. So our FIB is going to run from there, right down to where we have our most significant low, and then we're going to wait for the market to push to our 38.50 or 61% level, and then close in the direction of the trend, which is a bearish, which is close bearish, for us to look for another sell opportunity. We are always trading in the direction of the trend, whether you like it or not. No matter, we are not biased. We are just we analyzing like a pro and executing like a robot. So for now, we are just playing the waiting game. And remember, we are using the 1 hour time frame. For those of you guys who are asking, we are using the 1 hour time frame, and we're just going to play the waiting game. So long as this market start pushing against the original trend, our FIB is going to run from here to that point where the market start pushing against us, and then we're going to wait for the market to get to our FIBS level and close in the direction of the trend for us to enter again. It's as easy as that. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I was on the call. Okay, which other pair do you guys want us to look into it, guys? Which other pair do you guys want us to look into it? Let's go. Which other pair do you guys want us to look? So for gold, there's nothing we can actually do on gold. There's nothing we can actually do on gold. So just let me know. For gold, we are just playing the waiting game. We are playing the waiting game on gold. There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do on gold. I'm waiting for other suggestions. Okay, someone is suggesting, let's see. Okay, USD JPY. Someone is suggesting USD JPY. Let's see what's happening on USD JPY. USD JPY, okay? A couple of traders are suggesting USD JPY. So let's look into USD JPY. USD JPY, let's see. Perfect, I like this. Once I just open and see the market trending upward, I don't even need to stress. The market is in a clear uptrend. So our problem now is just looking for entries. This is where we had a cross, and this market has been on an uptrend ever since. All right, this market has been in an uptrend ever since, and this becomes our most significant swing low right here, and our most significant swing high is right here. So if we can plot our FIBS, this is what we're going to be using. And to the market comes back to this level. This is our significance levels. These levels right here, 38, 50, and 61%. So until this price comes back to any of these levels and close bullish before we can look to enter a buy trade again. To then, you can see momentum is almost dying off here. This is almost like a double top, right? You know the M pattern, right? That's a reversal pattern. So for those of you guys who trade candlestick patterns or chart patterns, this is more like a reversal pattern. But since we are not using reversal patterns as our base of analysis here, we're just going to wait to see if the market can push back to our FIBS level and then close bullish for us to enter again on a buy. So that is it. We're just playing the waiting game on this one. There's no signal we can take on USD JPY. Next one, which one do you guys? I think that's a total of how many analyses have we made? We've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we still have 5 to go. Okay, someone mentioned BTC. Am I correct? Someone mentioned BTC. Okay, someone mentioned BTC. So let's go to BTC. That's going to be our number 6 trade. BTC, what's happening? All right, BTC is in a clear downtrend. Let me delete this. BTC is in a clear downtrend. So our problem now is to see if it's time to jump in. That was a cross right there, and BTC has been selling. This would have been here, would have been a great entry, stop loss here, take profit, would have already hit take profit ever since. But see, because you can see why I'm saying this, because your FIB would have just run from here to here. If your FIB would have run from there to there, you can see that's a key 50% level and then closing bearish. So you sell here, stop loss here, take profit, would have already hit your take profit. So now, since the market is still pushing down, our most significant swing low now is this area. And this one. So our FIBS is going to run down from here right down to here. The price is almost pushing to our FIBS level, 50% FIBS level. So if the next candle close bullish, we're going to be looking to sell again. That's it with BTC. The next candle closes bearish. Sorry, the next candle closes bearish. Then we're going to look to sell again. So that is it with BTC. Which one do you guys want us to look into? It US 30. Someone says US 30. US 30. Let's see. US 30, I'm already seeing a clear buy signal on US 30. If no matter the kind of analysis you want to do, even if you are using chart patterns, this would have been a clear W pattern. You know W pattern when you have something like this. First W pattern or double bottom. First bottom, second bottom, and boom, it's typically a reversal pattern. The same thing happens here on US 30. First bottom, second bottom, and boom. This is usually called the neckline, all right? This area here is called the neckline, and it was broken. But at the same time the neckline was broken, our moving averages also break right here. So now you can just play the way to, so long as this candle, remember I mentioned my killer zone or my trigger zone, the price is still on my killer zone, so I can still take a buy on US 30. So we're going to be taking a buy on US 30. We're going to be taking a buy on US 30. Right there, stop loss is just going to be below my killer zone. My stop loss is going to be here on 623 pips. All right, remember this is US 30. That's why the points are crazy. And then we'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Good. So let me place the trade quickly on my phone. That's a buy on US 30. Buy on US 30. Do I have US 30 right here? Let's see. US 30. Okay, that's a clear buy on US 30. That's a trade. Okay. Let's just put it on 10. Invalid. Oh, it says invalid stop loss and take profit. Let me just trade again. Okay, that's it. That's it. Second position. Both our positions have been placed. That's the first position right there. Second position right there. So let's go. That's it. That's it. Someone mentioned that's the number 8 pair. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Great Britain pound JPY. Great Britain pound JPY. Let's see Great Britain pound JPY. Let's see Great Britain pound JPY. Let's see Great Britain pound JPY. Voila, the same thing, the same thing, the same thing. Not to even stress. We're going to play the waiting game on this one. This was our cross. Market has been buying. This will become our most significant swing low. Wherever the market starts turning against us, will become our most significant swing high. Our fib will run from there to that point. And then this key area here will be our most significant zone. So long as the price push right here and then closes bullish, boom, we're going to be looking for a buy opportunity somewhere right there. So that is it with Great Britain pound JPY. We're playing the waiting game now to see how the price is going to play out. This might only happen sometime next week because today is Friday and you know the market is almost done off. But 9, let's pick the last one. Last one. AUD JPY should be similar to Great Britain pound JPY, I guess. Should be similar to Great Britain pound JPY. Let's see AUD JPY. Perfect. Can you guys see this? The same analysis we had on Great Britain pound JPY. When you trade after some time, you already know how currency pairs behave. After some time, you've already known which ones are positively correlated, which ones are negatively correlated. Look at that. Can you see? This is Great Britain pound JPY. Immediately I saw AUD JPY. I told you guys it's going to be the same setup, and that's the same setup. So the same analysis I did for Great Britain pound JPY is the same one for AUD JPY. Why? Because it has a safe haven currency. There's a difference between a safe haven currency pair and a safe haven currency. Safe haven asset and a safe haven currency. A safe haven asset is an asset like gold. All right, that's a safe haven asset. So anytime there's geopolitical tension, like where there's war with Ukraine and Libya, many investors, they run to safe haven assets like gold. That's why you see the gold price will skyrocket overnight or over the weekend. Now, when it comes to currencies, anytime there's instability of high fluctuation with currencies, investors or importers and transporters, investors, importers, you know, they tend to move to safe haven currencies like JPY. So Japanese yen is a safe haven currency. That's why in most cases, if the Japanese yen is combined with another currency, you can already know the direction of the market. You can easily predict because both currency pairs all have a similar safe haven currency, which is the Japanese yen. I don't know if it makes some sense. That's how you put macroeconomics in your trading, or that's how you are able to use fundamentals to easily predict the direction of your trading. Let's see which one, the last one you guys want us to look into. NASDAQ. Should it be the same with US 30? Let's look and see. NASDAQ in most cases almost work the same like US 30. All right. Can you see this? I told you guys, NASDAQ and US 30. Look at NASDAQ here. Look at US 30 here. Similar thing, similar cross. If you look at US 30, similar cross. So let's just wait again. Let's play the waiting game. The cross hasn't happened yet on NASDAQ. You can see the cross hasn't happened. If you can get a push up here, just a push up that confirms a cross. By the close of that 1 hour candle, you're going to enter on a buy. And once you enter on a buy, boom, you're just going to wait for the market now to start printing against you. This will then act as a most significant swing low, significant swing high. Wait for the market to push to your Phipps level, and then you join another one. You enter another position, boom. Mechanical, as easy as that. So we're playing the waiting game on NASDAQ. That was it. That's it, guys. That's it. Those are 10 pairs. Remember, I said I was going to be analyzing 10 pairs, and we will be done for the day. All right. There are a lot of suggestions. There are a lot of suggestions on the comment section. Any question you have related to trading, related to prop firms, related to payouts, let me know in the comment section. But that is it. Those are our 10 pairs. So we did analysis on 10 pairs, and we were able to take trades on 3 pairs. Great Britain Pound USD. We took a trade on Great Britain Pound USD. We took a trade on Great Britain Pound NZD, and we took a trade on US 30. We are in profit. We are in profit nicely on US 30 and US 30. We are in profit on US 30 for now. So I'll keep you guys updated on all these positions on my Instagram account. Let me know if you guys have few questions. So the names you are seeing on your screen, those are the winners of the Hola Prime giveaway. So this live session is featuring Hola Prime. All right, this live session is featuring Hola Prime, and that's a giveaway from them. We just did a spin, and the first 2 winners are going to be getting $50,000. The same winners you are seeing on your screen, they're going to be getting $50,000. So the instructions are simple. I'm going to leave the instructions on this video description. You just need to email. If your name is among the winners, just send us an email to support@golofgroupltd.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the after the video, the instructions are going to be on the comment section. And their 50K account will be issued out on Monday. So on Monday, these traders are going to be trading with $50,000 each. All right. Let me just wait to see if you guys have a few questions. And in the meantime, I hope you guys know of Golov University. All right. I hope you guys know of Golov University. I'm just going to take a minute. Since some few traders asked some few questions by the start of the session about Golov University. So if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, that's where you have to go. If you want to use a Forex calculator, which is Golov University has a lot of free tools, a lot of free tools. Don't just hear and you run away. No, Golov University has a lot of free tools. You can come here on position size and calculate your lot size. I've shown you guys, I've done multiple videos showing you guys how you can use this tool to make money with trading. And then even still in Golov University, if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, because I do have a trading academy that has been rated as one of the best with more than 5,000 traders on Discord. We even have most of those students here watching us live. So if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, just come here on golovuniversity.com and click on Forex course. Click on the Forex course. You're just going to see something that looks exactly like this. Let me see. You can see this is the complete course right here. It's going to take you about 2 to 3 months to finish everything. You can see you're going to get payouts like this. When you finish the course, you go home with a 5K prop firm account to start trading immediately. You know, you can start with a monthly, quarterly, or yearly subscription where you'll be able to join other students. You can go through the page just to understand everything. We have our mesh. There's a Discord community with 5,000 private students. You can read testimonials. What we do with our testimonials is we just paste them the same way they are, so that it shouldn't look as if someone just come and write some testimonial. No, we put a screenshot so that you can be able to talk to the people themselves. All right. That's the curriculum. This is just part of the curriculum. It's been updated. A lot has been added. But yeah, that is it. Then again, if you want to invest in automation, or if you want a Forex robot that can pass challenges for you, then here is a 3 years in a row award-winning Forex robot known as Paytrex Pro. I'm sure all of you guys watching this video must have heard about Paytrex Pro somewhere. I can guarantee. You must have heard maybe your friend talking about Paytrex Pro, or maybe someone saying, I just got payouts with Paytrex Pro. Because here, if you scroll down, you're going to see screenshots of people. Look at payouts. These are payouts people are getting with Paytrex Pro, and they are putting in a Paytrex Pro Discord community. This is the only robot that comes with a Discord community where you can talk with other traders that are using the bot. And the bot is accepted by all pro firms because it doesn't have prohibited strategies, all right? So it's accepted by all pro firms. You can just come here. If you are even doubting, this is the FX book link. This is the FX book link of the robot, showing you guys live results of the robot. And you can see the equity curve, how smooth it looks. Let me just look at the equity curve right here, everything verified. If you click on this link, it's public for anyone to see. That's the FX book. That's FX book right there. Let me just click here. You can see the tracking is going on. All the trades are there on FX book. $108,000 profits up. You can see everything very, very clearly right there. Look at this vision scar part and all of that. You can see it right there. So most of the time, you guys have requested, no, want to see it on FX book. That's it for you guys to see. All right, passing pro firm is nothing with this board. Many pro firms, you can see these are many certificates. You can use it on any pro firm. Funded Next, IC Funded, Hola Prime, the Funded Trader, Blueberry Funded, name the rest. Right. Then again, if you want to book a one-on-one session, maybe you are someone you are totally confused in Forex. You don't know where to start. You've tried everything, and you just want someone with 10 years of experience to put you down and tell you directly what to do. Then you can book a one-on-one session. One-on-one, the package is right there, and you'll be able to talk to me one-on-one. We're going to spend about 2 hours just going through your system. I'm going to spend about 2 hours telling you exactly what to do. And if you want to earn while you learn, you can also check out our Signal services. Signal service is right there. Just click on subscribe. It's going to take you directly to our Telegram Discord bot, where you're going to subscribe to our signals, and you'll get almost about 10 to sometimes 5 to 15 signals per day on just a minute. You'll get almost about 10 to 15 signals per day with our signal service. So the results are right there. You guys can see the testimonials and everything. So there's a lot for you guys. There's a lot for you guys on God Love University. A lot and a lot and a lot for you guys on God Love University. I think you should please help me with videos on Sarkomi. What's Sarkomi, guys? I think you should please help me with videos on psychology. Oh, psychology. There are videos on my channel, many videos on my channel on trading psychology, many videos on my channel on trading psychology, many videos. Okay. Interesting. So God Love University is right there. The link will always be on the link on the video description of all my videos. Make sure you go to the Hola Prime YouTube channel just to follow up on the live session they have right now. They have a live session right now as we speak. So make sure you also go to Hola Prime to check them out. Hola Prime is doing giveaways, so check it out as well. So make sure you go to Hola Prime to also check them out. And I'm signing out. Use this. You can see there's a coupon code, not a coupon code, but a discount code on your screen. The discount code has been there. All right. Discount code has been there. Trade First 50. Use it on Hola Prime and you get 50% discount. 50% discount. I don't know how long this is going to last. Trust me, this is going to be for limited time only. So make sure you take advantage of this while it's still available. The coupon code is passing on your screen right there. Until then, peace out and have a beautiful weekend.